Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about the 5 things to ask your window salesman. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about licensed, insured, and bonded. Make sure that the company that you are getting quotes from, that they have a contractor's license. They're not some fly-by-night guy who's trying to do these deals and not be able to pull permits and things like that. Insurance, make sure that they have the insurance so that way if something goes wrong, they damage some of your product, there's an insurance that they can go after if they somehow don't want to pay anything, right? It has been a problem for some people. They're like, hey, I didn't do that, and you know that they did, you saw it on camera, whatever the case may be, and they're not ready to pony up. So what you would have to do is go after their insurance. And that's how you get refunded for whatever damage they created. And lastly is the bond.
James Bond.
Make sure that the company has a bond. You know, usually it's a performance bond, it's a pay bond. There's different bonds out there, but just make sure that they're bonded. So that way, if they start a job, they have to complete it, otherwise you go after their bond. There's that. And then the second thing, who's gonna do my installation? I buy windows from you. Who's gonna be the one to come to my house, put these windows and doors in? Find out if they are employees of said company that he works for, or if it's a contractor who's hired by the window company to do the installation. If it's gonna be one or the other, you wanna find out work that they've already done, pictures, things like that. If it's somebody who is hired from them as a subcontractor, you wanna see work that they've done. You wanna see that they are a contractor as well, that they are licensed and bonded, because a subcontractor has to have their own insurances, bonds, things like that. You wanna get these questions answered before you sign any contracts. Number 3, what does the cost include? So do they break down what the cost of the window is, what the cost of the materials are, what the cost of the labor is? We do, a lot of companies don't. They just give you a lump sum number, and that works for some. And you know, if you do that, fine. It is what it is. But the way I like to do it is I like to show the customer where their money is being spent. How much is it on windows? How much is it on trim? How much is it on caulking? How much is it for the labor? Kind of a cost breakdown, cost analysis. What is this job actually costing me? And the fourth thing, what does the warranties cover for the windows and the craftsmanship? So for us, lifetime warranty on the windows. Guess what? For the craftsmanship, lifetime. As long as you own that house, if we installed windows for you, I'm guaranteeing that these are gonna have no problem, so I'm gonna give you a lifetime warranty as well. Whoever is talking to you about windows, ask the guy, so what does the window warranty cover? And then also, what does the craftsmanship warranty cover from you guys? And the fifth thing, timeline. Right now, so windows are taking so much longer to produce and receive, so lead times are just getting further and further out. They're trying to lasso that in and make sure that it's not getting out of hand. Ask them, hey, so from the time we sign a deal here, how long is the turnaround? It's a frequently asked question, but it's something that you need to make sure that you understand and make sure that they stay in contact with you. If you do sign a deal, make sure that, hey, just checking in, I wanna make sure that our timelines are actually following, and it's gonna be the 8 weeks or 12 weeks, or whatever it is that they predicted. Just find out what lead times are before you make any signatures. Okay guys, well hopefully these 5 things kind of helped you, incited you a little bit as to what you can ask a window salesman while he's there. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the comments section below and I'll reach out as soon as I can. Thank you. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.